Hello everyone, once again we are back on the topic arithmetic progression, so let's get started. Now, whenever we have to calculate the nth term of any sequence, kindly focus on the left hand side. My sequence is 2, 5, 8. You can very well tell that here the first term a is 2, the common difference is 5 minus 2, which is 3. Right. So now what is our task? Our task is, suppose if I give you a question that find the 50th term of this sequence. I'm asking you to find the 50th term. That does not mean that you will keep on adding the terms till you get the 50th terms. No. Here you have a direct formula in order to solve this question. What is that formula? It is an is equals to a plus n minus 1t. Now we shall see how I'm going to apply that formula here. You just have to remember the formula. So very quickly I can write it as if I have to find the 50th term. What is my a? A is 2. A plus in the bracket n minus 1. So what I'm going to write? I will write 50 minus 1 and I will multiply it with d, which is 3. Now again, if you see it very properly, 2 plus 50 minus 1 will give you 49. So 2 plus 49 into 3, within a minute you will be able to calculate what will be your 50th term. So this is the formula on which you have to concentrate. Right. Now, an arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers. This we all know. Suppose if I have given you again this 2, 5, 8 as my sequence and I ask you, can you let me know what should be the next term? You can very quickly say it will be 11 because you are just adding what? Common difference. So here is the next property. Whenever you have to write an arithmetic progression, you follow this pattern. A, in order to get the next term, you will add common difference, so a plus d. Again, in order to get the next term, you will add the common difference d to the previous term, so a plus d. And again, if I will add 1d, I will get a plus 2d. So the next term will be a plus 3d. And what should be my next term? It will be a plus 4d and so on. This is the general pattern of writing an arithmetic progression. Nth term formula you have already seen. Now remember one part that nth term can be denoted by Tn also, as well as we can denote it by An, which is a plus n minus 1t. Now if you have to calculate the sum of first n terms, that is Sn, we have the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. The same formula can also be written as n by 2 a plus l. This l is a new term here. So let us see what is this l. This l is nothing but the last term. The last term of the sequence is known as l. So whenever you have to find the sum of n terms, suppose if I give you the question, let me know the sum of 20 terms. Let me know the sum of first 20 terms. That does not mean that you will keep on adding the 20 terms one by one to get the answer. No. What you have to simply do, you have to simply utilize this formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, and you will have your answer in front of you. Let us see few more questions like this.